Hello, how are you guys? I hope you are fine. Today my dearest pair will trade in gold versus US dollar, which is a high volatility pair. This pair follows the price action very well. See you after applying trade.
Nope.
Okay.
Huh?
Good.
Nope.
Okay guys, our trade is applied today. We are going to grow $100 as you can see in the thumbnail. Here we will follow complete technical analysis. You can clearly see that the strong trend of the market is downtrend, or it has fallen down very fast. Here we have got the opportunity of buying. Market has 95% chance of taking strong support at this level because the market has already reacted at this level, which you can clearly see in the chart. The market is respect very well to this level. Market has given strong reaction at this place from where the market moved down even a few hours before this. The market was trying to take resistance but could not get. Here the market broke this level and saw a good upward move. Here the market has also retested a small breakout. After 3 to 4 days, the market is taking support again at the same level. Took support an hour ago, now retesting again. We can see the small double bottom here, which is the reverse pattern. The market will go up from here because there is a strong support resistance level. We can get good profit here, which has 80 to 90% chance. Such levels are rarely found where the market is seen after a long time. Ever since the market broke this level of resistance, never came after that, but today a buying opportunity has been created here. Let's put stop loss now. Here my stop loss will be below this strong support resistance level, which is 28 pips away from our trade. If the market does not respect this level, then our trade will be closed. After this trade we will not trade here again. There is a good chance that the market will turn from where we applied for the trade. Till now we are running in loss only. We have a target point here. Our target point will be around 70 to 80 pips, which is more than 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Or we have drawn the rectangle tool. The target will be lower than because the next reverse level of the market will be, which is second strong support resistance level. Here the market will break it and go up. If this does not happen, then it can be reversed from here, which is more likely to reverse because the market will again retest the lower strong support resistance level at a higher level. You will find it at the end of the video. That's why must watch the last scene. I am applying another trade because the market is starting to go up here. We are trying to grow small account very well. That's our goal now. All we have to do is wait. It is our psychology job to wait in the market. That's why it is very important to have good psychology to reach the target. Let's see what happens in the market next. We should accept whatever result the market turns out. See you in a while.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused.
Guys, the market reversed from where we applied the trade. That's a good thing for us. This level of ours has worked perfect. So that we can reach our target here, we used common strategy, which is very simple. Basic price action works in this strategy wherever there is resistance. The market definitely takes support there. This is the nature of the market. Higher high, higher low are made in the market by making such patterns again and again. Let's close the trade now. Our target has been achieved. We should not be greedy in the market. The result of greed is always bad. Guys, we are running profit above $1,000. This was our small account who took the challenge to grow. You can also grow a small account by trading at the right place. See you after closing the trade.
March until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward.
We had deposited $100 in this account, which has grown to $1,118. We will grow it even further. Guys, where we draw the upper level, the market is trying to go over there. If the power of buyers is too much here, so breaking this level, the market will go up. If this does not happen, then it will move downwards, which has more chances because the current trend of the market is going on downtrend.
80 minutes later.
Like this.
80 minutes later.